Damn it, son, I knew you brought that. I fucking knew you brought that, you son of a bitch.
Oh, that's brutal.
What the fuck was that? Bro! Like, you get me out of this thing, bro.